friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. I've been doing some cleaning and I cleaned the closet and I found a box. When I opened it, I was surprised that it's been there for how many years. And I forgot about it. So this video, I'm going to show you what I've been talking about. Purchase it from this store online. I open the box and see what's in it. It's kind of funny because sometimes I buy stuff and I just put it somewhere, and you know, if you don't remember, then you will just find out if you're cleaning closet. Here it is. Especially that spring is here and this would be perfect time to use this bag. It's a handbag. It's still in this plastic. I really like it. Yeah, and I couldn't remember how much I paid for this, but I know it was on sale. So, yeah. And you know how I love purses. I love makeup and everything. Just name it. You know, I'm not picky about it, but whatever it is, yes. But especially handbags, yeah. I don't remember how many years, maybe 2 or 3 years, I don't know. But anyway, it's right here now. And this is what it looks like. It's perfect for spring because the prints are flowers, and I still have this plastic on the handle. So I'm going to take this one. Okay. Just give me a moment. So it took me a while to, you know, unwrap it because there's a lot of papers inside, and here it is. And now that it's spring, it's good to use this bag. Look at this. I really like the style, and it's flowers. I don't have any handbags that has flowers in it like this one. But anyway, this is really neat. You can use this as a sling bag. Oh, there's a strap right here. There. Or you can just use it like a handbag. Right here, there's a little mini wallet. You can put your credit card or anything. But it looks like, you know, cards. I still have this paper in there. Pretty neat, you know. And on this side, there's also a little compartment. There's a zipper here. There's still tag because I don't really know how much it was. I know it was on sale, so the MSR price is that. So yeah, but it was on sale or clearance. And it's the brand Guess. Over here, I'll let you see. This one is really kind of neat to cover, you know, to cover it. And over here, there's a lot of, it's a big, what's that? There's a lot of room. So there's 3 compartments, and one over here and over here, and there's also zipper, a little thing in here, and in the middle where, you know, I have this kind of bag that has, you know, the same, it's also from Guess, and there's 3 compartments, so I have to put the personal or my wallets in here, or the money in the middle, because there is a zipper. There you go. I really like it because it's really neat, and if I don't want to use it as a sling bag, I'll just put it like a handbag like that. So pretty neat. You can put a lot of, you know, a lot of stuff in this one. Actually, this one is gonna be inside there. So, yep. Pretty handbag, huh? I really like the style. But, you know, this is new to me because this is my first one that, you know, the prints is flowers. Feels like spring. I mean, it's spring already. I know it's spring. I can use this wherever I go. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And also, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, subscribe now and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. And thank you guys for watching. So that's all for now. My handbag. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.